I'm a smoke machine. I'm a smoke machine. I'm a smoke machine. I'm a smoke machine.
Go, Jamie.
What for?
We didn't do nothing, man. Come on.
I gotta grab my smoke machine. No, you know what I'm saying? It's a fire hazard if I leave this shit going.
Easier the hard way. Which way do you want to go? Come on.
I ain't going nowhere.
You're going with me.
Tell me what I'm arrested for, man. I can't even breathe up in this piece.
Okay, let's go.
All right, we're unboxing a fog machine. Got it from Walmart, around $28 or something. All right, what do we have here?
Okay. So we have the fog solution. We're gonna open it. Right here.
The solution is sold separately, about like $9.97, almost $10. $10 plus tax. Then the fog machine itself comes with fog machine, batteries. What's this thing? A remote control?
Yep.
And a remote.
And a handle.
Okay, what you did, show that like that.
Smell like plastic.
All right. Now, first we're gonna assemble it together. We got the handle on there. We're securing the handle. All right, what's next?
We have to plug this into the wall to warm it up. Okay, we plugging it. I could have.
Oh man, we forgot to put the stuff in. So we gotta put the stuff in first.
Okay.
Yeah, it says right here, do not operate without liquid. So the liquid goes in first before you plug it in. Okay, pour in the liquid solution.
Watch out, man.
Close the top cap. Okay, now we plug in the machine.
2 to 4 minutes.
We gotta wait 2 to 4 minutes for it to warm up. Okay, the green light says it's ready to go, and we're gonna go ahead and start the fog machine. Go ahead, Brandon's gonna use the remote.
I can't even breathe up in this piece.